but today we're doing the First Mittagong Community Brink Project. Okay, let's get started. So it says, step 1, Titus Allison is a loan officer with a First Mittagong Community Bank. Titus is adding formatting to the workbook he uses to track interest rate to increase its usability. Change the theme of the workbook to Office. So first, we're going to go to Page Layout. So right here, you should see Themes. On the top left corner, click Office, and there you go. Step 1 is complete. Step 2, switch to the mortgage sheet. Then format the heading. Merge and center the range A1 to D1. Okay, let's go to mortgage sheet over here on the bottom. So we have A1 to D1. We're gonna go back to home. You click merge and center, which is over here. And it should look like this. Then it says apply the FM heading cell style to the merge cell. Okay, so we have to go to cell styles, which is over here. Click the down arrow and you click FM heading. Okay, there you go. Step 3, merge and center the range A2 to D2. Okay, A2 to D2. Then we click merge and center. Get to go back, and then we go here. And it says apply the FM subheading cell to the merge cell. So we have to go to cell styles. This time instead of clicking FM heading, we have to doing FM subheading. So don't get confused. So it should look like this. Step 4, format the effective date information for the range A4 to B4. Apply the note cell style. So A4 to B4. We're going to go to cell styles again, and this time I click note, which is over here in data and model. And there you go. Then it says for cell A4, apply the italic to the text and align right. So we're going to go to italic. Then we're going to align right, which is this button. Then it says for cell B4, change the date format to date, month, year. Okay. To do that, so we go here, B4. Cool, we click, so over here it says date. We're going to click the down arrow. Click more number formats. And it should pop up like this. Then we're going to keep scrolling until you see 14-March-12. And you click OK. And it should come out to 21-November NOB-21. Then it says for number 5, format the mortgage rate table. For headings A6 to D6, center and bold the text. So we're going to select this, center and bold. Then it says change the font to color blue gray text too. So we're going to change here. So blue gray and text 2 should be this one. And to hover over it, then you can check what it is. And it says merge and center the range A7 and A9. So we're going to select A7 to A9. It should be like this. Then we're going to go to merge and center, and there. Then it says copy the format the merge cell in range A7 to A9, then paste the formatting in the range A10 to A18 to create 3 merge cells. So to do that, we have to go to click this button right here. It looks like a paintbrush. Then we're going to select from A10 to A18. So it should look like this when you're done. Step 7, and image B7 to B18. Apply the percentage number format with 2 decimal places. Then copy this format to the range D7 to D18. So we're going to B7 to B18. going to general. Right here, so you click general, you click more number formats, and we click percentage. It should be at 2 decimal places. Click OK. And then we're going to click the copy button again. And you select from D7 to D18. It should look like this when you're done. Step 8, so in the range C7 to C18, apply the number format. Then increase the decimal to show 3 decimal places. So I'm going to select from C7 to C18, go back to general, and go to more number formats. Go to number, and we're going to click the up arrow. It should be 3 decimal places. Click OK, and it should look like this. Then it says in step 9, change the background color to A7 to D9, from A7 to D9 to green, accent 6, lighter 80%. Okay. Like this. And then we're gonna go here. So I have to go to green, accent 6, lighter 80%. Make sure you hover over it to make sure it's correct. Then it says copy the formatting of the range A7 to D9, then paste the formatting in range A13 to D15. So then we're gonna copy this, click this button again, so from A13 to D15. So this is how it should look like. Step 11. In the range A6 to D18, add a border around all cells using the Alt Border option. Okay, so we select from A6 to D18. So in order to do this, we see this button with 4 boxes. Click the down arrow. We click all border right here. And this is how it looks like. Okay, step 12. Switch to money market worksheet. For the range A1 to D1, merge and center the contents and apply the custom cell style FM heading. We're going to money market, switch the tab. So from here, we just go to merge and center. We go to cell styles, FM heading. And then it says from range A2 to D2, merge and center the contents and apply the custom style FM subheading. So we're going to select this, and we're going to click merge and center, cell styles FM subheading. Okay. Step 13. Copy and content the format of the range A4 to B4 in the mortgage sheet. Then paste them on the range A4 to B4 in the money market worksheet. So we go to mortgage, and we're gonna select A4 to B4. We click the copy button. We go back to money market, and we select A4 to B4, and it should become like this. Then step 14. To format the money market rate table for the ranges B7 to B11, apply the currency number format with 2 decimal places. So B7 to B11, we're gonna click from general, we're gonna click currency, and it should become like this. Then it says repeat for C7 to C10. So we're gonna go to C7 to C10, and we're gonna click the money sign. For the range D7 to D11, apply the percentage number format with 2 decimal places. Okay, so we're gonna select D7 to D11. We're gonna go click percentage. I'm gonna click more number formats, and we're gonna put the decimal place to 2. So then it will look like this. Then it says for step 15, change the tab color of the mortgage sheet to purple. 10th column of the standard color palette. Okay, in order to do that, if you're on a MacBook, you're gonna click on your bottom right corner of your keyboard, and you're going to and it should come out with this tab. It says, and you're gonna click temp color, and we're gonna go to standard colors. We're gonna go to purple. So it should look like this. Then it says change the color tab color of the money market worksheet to dark red. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Click tab color, and dark red is this one, the first color in standard color. And okay, we're done. Thanks for watching, guys.